dear. Today I am going to start cue card question. Question is describe an area of science that interests you. You should say what is it, how did you learn about it, why are you interested in it. Well, science is interesting subject in many ways as it has lot of challenges, innovation and experiments. Usually students like in their school days as they get exposure to do experiment with chemicals and different type of acids, as well as they made different type of equation physics, as well as botany also is interesting as how plants made their food and how they prepare their food source from soil and sun rays. It's really helpful to understanding our environmental, where there is animal species or plant species, and I like this subject and I enjoy science. But as here I explain about an area of science, I really fond of genetical engineering because it is really interesting subject as it has a new invention and it provides different results with the help of modifying genes, and everyone have their imagination to do something innovative. Then they like genetical engineering. Many scientists made different type of species of plants and animals with the help of genetical engineering, and I feel that now it's become trendy as we can see clone and hybrid seeds for agriculture and hybrid animals. We can see hybrid pet animals. It provides chance to modifying gene DNA of particular, and it reduce chances of many disease. Many disease become curable due to genetical engineering, and genetical engineering as new emerging subject and most of youth is attracting toward it. That is why they made different type of hybrid plants. 2 years ago when I went to Apantnagar Agriculture University, here there I saw different type of hybrid plants, flowers, and I remember that I saw a mango tree which every branch have had different fruit flavor, as it is quite interesting and I really fascinated toward genetical engineering. I like to do experiments in biotechnology, and it's really work, and I came to know about this subject why their students as students did lot of experiment in their study period, and they expose their experiments in this fair, and I came to know about in this new stream, and I really like. My friends also like this stream, and we made also a plan to learn about more about this particular subject from our subject teacher. With the help of our subject teacher, I know lot of about this subject, and my confusion and many conflicting ideas is clear. It's really interesting subject in many ways as it has innovation, experiments. Next follow-up question. Part third. Question is, what's the best invention in the past 100 years? Well, I feel that communication has become more strongest in recent years due to mobile phones. Communication field is becoming easier, and now we can not think about distance. Now everyone connected through mobile phones, and they can use video calls, audio calls, and text messages to their dear or near ones. I feel that it is. Next question is, what's the influence of science on human life? Well, we can see lot of science experiments in our daily routine. We can see gift of science in household appliances as well as transportation system in infrastructure, and I feel that in every area technological process take place, which is also an invention of science. It's really affect human life, as now life is become more comfort and convenient. Next question is, what can individual do for scientific research? Well, as every individual have different rights and different duties toward their country, individual do help with their financial or with their knowledge or information support to their country, as every country need information, knowledge, and financial apps to do researches in scientific field. That is why they can do fund, or they can do experiments, knowledge, information to their country. Their contribution is really helpful to make their country more stronger. Next question is, what influence can international cooperation in science bring about? Well, international cooperation in science bring lot of things, as it provides wide funds to particular country and to provide equipment and different type of resources to particular country to do more experiment, which is really helpful to make new inventions. And we can see in COVID-19 period, international science corporation doing work in developing vaccine for COVID-19, and it's really effective work due to these type of international